Hello everybody, welcome back to Space Engineers. Today I think I'm going to focus on repairing my little mess and get myself a vehicle. Now, I think I'm going to make this barn over here my base for now, since it's already kind of set up and I think that's what it's intended for. So I'm going to gather my resources, what I have here, or whatever I can fit, and head over there. And I don't know if I'm going to build a flying ship, like right now, or if I'm going to build a wheeled one. I think I'm going to go for wheeled. And eventually I want to go back to where I crash landed and harvest that ship. But I think I might have to wait for a flying vehicle for that. So, yeah, we'll get to doing that right now. I'm going to start off, I think. Should I? What does this require to get finished? That or... Yeah, I'm going to get this thing built so I have a battery here for power. There, that'll collect some power because I think there was a wind turbine. Yeah, I think that's that's a solar panel right there. What does it take to build this? Where are these right here? Oh. Vent and pipes. What is this, smelter? Yeah, I might also build that too. Could come in handy. There, all built. Yeah, that'll allow me to build some of the other little parts. Okay, we're gonna get started here. Yeah, we'll make a tracked, or not tracked, but wheeled. A wheeled vehicle. I'll need the wheels. Start off some blocks. What other parts are we going to need here? I mean, we'll probably need one of those. Probably one of those. We'll need lights and everything, but I think we should just get the basics for now. What are we doing for power? What do we see here? Revival and recharge. No, I don't want that. Like, eventually I want to build one over here. Energy, that's it. So I need battery. And I could probably slap a solar panel on it. Alright. Oh, I guess I should start with one of these. Just something to hold on to it while I'm building it so it doesn't roll away. Alright. Oh, that's not the one I want. I want that. So I think I'm going to do a basic... just start with a four-wheeled buggy. Oh. I don't have any parts. Right? Is that what that means? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to build that out like that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll do 10 blocks long. Now, do I have to weld that one first? Wait. Wait. Heavy duty plate. Heavy duty armor cube. Oh, that's why. I don't want that. How do I get rid of this? Yeah. I just want light armor cube. Where is the light armor cube? Is that the regular cube? Okay. Regular cube. Oh, it does meters. How many blocks is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I lost count already. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Way too many. I'm just doing a little moon buggy, but not on the moon. Whatever. Good enough. Good enough. Let's get it welded. Why is it saying heavy armor cube again? Okay, that literally said lighter. Oh, placing on. Okay. Bear with me. I'll get this. Did I grab the wrong cube? Hey. 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 That's why. Okay. Just ignore me. Ignore me. Ignore me. Okay, I'm just going to go by the meters. I'm going to do 5.5. That looks long enough. Looks too long. Too long. Too long? That'll work. Just a little buggy. I can always add more wheels to it later. Alright, as for wheels, does it matter direction? I know it did in the last one. It doesn't look like it matters direction for this at all. I'm gonna go right there. 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 And there. Oh, I don't want that. What do I need for that? Is that gonna be too narrow? That's gonna be way too narrow. Wait. Grind? Grind. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna make it, why did it do that again? Stop that. I just want regular light armor cube. I'm gonna do it 3 wide. I'm already out of resources. I'm gonna try using just component mode. Grab that. I mean, I could just grab the resources out of here, but I don't know. I feel like I should actually just build the parts. Oh. What? Don't I have steel plates? What do I got in my inventory? Oh my. Did I not grab? I think I put them in the machine. I got the base welded up for now. I am running out of resources, so I'll put the tires on, or the axles, or what do you call it? Suspension. Put the suspension on. That looks a little bit better. And then I think, let's see here. Yeah, I'll do that. Nope, this way. Yeah, like that. And I'll do the same on the back. And then I will put nice little, let's see, can I stand on the wheel? Oh, no, whoa. Okay. Okay, no, up, up, wheel. Oh, oh, no. Okay, okay, I'll just do that. Starting to get a little truck base here. What do we got here? Battery. I need a cargo container. Whoa. Attach that to that. And probably a battery. I'm gonna put the battery pack right on the back. For now. I'm probably gonna change it up. Does this have... Yeah. Put it right on the back. That leaves room for some stuff in the middle. Yeah, I think that'll work. I'll get this welded up. See how far I can get with the resources I have. Well, I almost got it done. I need more electronic parts, which means I need more silicon, so... I'm gonna go into the forest here. Wander over this way. Ooh. Like some sort of melon. Delicious. Where am I going? I don't know, I was just digging and I started digging for that one when really there's just that one right here and kind of lost train of thought here. There, I finally got to it. Get it all mined up here. Well, I've mined a considerable amount. If I have to, I'll come back down. Where is my hole? There it is. I got, yep, 2.22 ton, so that'll work for now. Okay, and we're back. I think the first thing, since I need to recharge, I think I will build... Whoa, that's not what I wanted. One of these. If I have the resources, which it looks like I do. Where am I going to put it? I think I'll just... No, I want more batteries there. I'm going to put it right beside here. Let's move that to like that. It's upside down. There. Now I can recharge my battery. Now, technically, we have some form of buggy to zoom around on, but let's see. Let's get rid of the supports. Oh, let's get rid of that one. And that one. Some form of buggy. Oh. Guessing we're gonna have to set up the turning and the wheels and such, because one wheel turning is just not it. That's weird. The one says block is... What? Did I not finish one of these? Oh, no I didn't. Weird. Let's just make sure I finish them all. Okay, now it's turning. I mean, it is, but it's got a little bit of a wiggle. That's not usually how vehicles turn. What if I take it? Okay, there we go. I think I need to up the turning speed on that. Okay, let's see how the setting... Oh, I just can't do that. It is a little slow. I did speed it up a bit. Oh, no! Oh, no. Oh. Well. It may be a bit front heavy. So how am I going to rectify this? Can I... Uh-huh. Yep. Can I strong arm this? Let's get under here. Jump. Jetpack. Hey, wait. Didn't I already try that before and it didn't work? What if I... Nope. I really don't want to have to, oh, I know what to do. Let's build one of these on... Hold on. Whoa. Rotate that around. Oh, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Right there. That'll work. Solving a problem. Calm down. I don't know what's going on. If I put another one. Let's see. Maybe I should have built a flying rig. Is that... no? Is that not enough? Can I stop with the wheels? Oh, no, no, this is going terrible. So I want it. Oh. Ah. It's like a teleporter. Why is this not working? It's like it's glued to the ground. Can I put... I could push it like it's... Physics has left the chat. Oh, I'm getting her. Come on. Jump, jump, jump. This is painful watching this. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Don't make me put a gyroscope on you. I don't want to put a gyroscope. But I guess I have to. I hope it doesn't have to be in the center. Can I do the rotating now? Can I do the thing? Is anything happening? What's going on here? Okay, turn off dampeners. There. Is that going to be enough thrust? Note to self. Do not make it too front heavy. Oh no. Oh, back on my wheels. I mean, that's close. There. Why does it keep wanting to tilt forward? It's not... What is going on? It just wants to be upside down. I don't understand. Is it the gyroscope? Okay. If I get out and don't touch it... Right? Now... I get rid of these... The front is too heavy. Let me just... I'm going to put another cargo container on. Will it help the problem? I don't know. Oh, that one's upside down. I hate it. I hate it. Hate it. Gotta fix it. Let's try this again. 1, 2. Can we try this again? Still feels like it might be front heavy. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, hold on. What is going on here? There, I left the gyroscope in there, but I turned it off. And then I turned up. Kind of looks like the suspension needs to be turned up a bit. Let's try this again. Okay, it seems to be acting more like a normal vehicle. I turned down the acceleration. I feel like it might have been too high. Does it just keep the speed? What is going on? This is going terribly. It just really wants to be front heavy. What if I... Well, let's get this flip back over. I'm going to spare you the embarrassment of trying to flip this back over. Well, the progress is not good. Not good at all. I have never had such a thing. This is a pain. Success! Gotta flip back around. I'm almost ready just to turn this into a flying thing. That almost worked better, but, you know. There's a lot less death happening with me on wheels. At least I'm just flying upside, or going upside down. I think what I am going to do... Let's see. I'm going to extend the back end. Because I have no idea what's going on here. Okay. I was trying to get it over there to put these wheels on right, and I just barely touched the brakes, and it's just like, nah. Nah. I like it this way. I like being upside down. So, that means I'm going to have to rotate. No, that's not what I want. Want it there. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. Yep. Oh, I like that you can do half blocks. Well, isn't that pretty? Ah, such a nice night sky. Yep, I'm still upside down. Yeah, I have to keep running back, get more resources because, you know, upside down. And this is just not... Oh, yeah, arrows pointing the wrong way. I want this. And I already know it's going to take 4 to flip this thing around because, I don't know, science? That's, flip that around. Just sciencing. Alright, she's back flipped around again. It's getting really annoying. I wish I knew why it was doing that. Okay, we're back in it. I put some lights on so I can see since, you know, it's nighttime since I started doing this. Let's see, is it going to just fall forward again? I mean, I got my gyroscope on still. I should probably turn that off. Maybe that's the reason why it was falling forward. I don't know. The vehicle should not need a gyroscope. Let's see. Went up over a hill. It's doing the thing. Should we try and get it back in the barn? Oh, whoa. Well, that's not how that should work. What's going on here? Am I stuck on nothing? Apparently. I feel like they got a bit more work to do on the wheels. Or maybe I'm just doing something wrong. Why is nothing working? Come on. No? Too steep? Let's see if I can build a better ramp. Well, I didn't have enough resources to finish that, but it should still work. Can I get it up there? Oh, there we go. That's better. Still kind of wants to go nose forward, but that makes sense because there is less weight in the back. So maybe I should move the cargo containers to the back and this to the front. Yeah, I'm going to do that. There. We'll see if it can handle that. Let's see how it reacts now. Is this another ramp? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that looks very familiar to what I'm used to. Very familiar. Okay, yeah, I don't understand why this is doing this. I think I might just create a flying vehicle. Because there's no way this cockpit should weigh so much, unless I fill the back end with stuff. But I am getting tired of flipping this thing over. There should be an easier way. Okay, this is just getting frustrating. This is my last attempt at this. I'm surprised there isn't a hole over here. Oh wait, there is. Yeah, there's a big hole. Anyways, I flipped it over and it hit the ground. Smashed some stuff. I rebuilt some stuff. I moved the cockpit back behind the front wheel, so maybe it won't be so nose heavy, because for some reason the cockpit is the heaviest object on this planet and tips the whole thing over. I don't understand it. I put a little bit of weight in the back. I don't know. Let's try this again before I just give up on a vehicle altogether and I just use like a flying thing. Because this is getting a little too insane. Is this going to drive any better? I also put like all the wheels back to like the standard of what they're supposed to be. Oh, turning is so slow. There's no way to speed up the turning either. And it's working a little better. I think the gyroscope is still off. I still have it off. Kind of wish it was daytime so I'd be able to actually see, but beggars can't be choosers kind of thing. Okay, I think I might actually have a vehicle. It still feels like incredibly front heavy. If I go like slam on the brakes. Yeah, let's just do this. You can just tell just by the way it's sitting of how heavy that front end is. Let's see what will happen if I go off this again. Oh, I think that worked. So note to self, don't put the cockpit in front of the wheels. For some reason it weighs like 100 metric tons. And the back end is the weight of a feather. I guess we finally got a vehicle for now. I guess I should put some more things on it, like a way to recharge the batteries. So will solar panels fit on it? There, got a bit of an antenna. Let's put some back lights on it. That style? Yeah, that'll work. There, we got a couple tail lights and just some side lights to help out. Oh, I should actually change color of those. Let's put them to my kind of like a marker light. Why did that? Did I select the wrong ones? Hey, look at that, I did. Let's turn that down to like 14 something. Go to like an orange. And then these two I want to a red. And then 14 something whatever 2. There. Teleporting! Is there any kind of ore detector? There is an ore detector. That I'm going to put on the front. It better not weigh a metric ton. Maybe it's going to weigh a metric ton. I'm going to trust that it doesn't. Wire. What do I need? How do I build wire? Oh, copper. Yeah, I don't have any copper yet. I haven't seen any. I'll take a drive around until I find some. I like that. Just touring along here, I hit a little bump, like I'm not that far away. And I just, no, not going nowhere. Okay, is that any better? Can I get over a rock? A singular rock? No. Okay, go around the rock. I feel like there's just not enough power to these wheels. There's no traction, not enough power. I definitely need a bit of work. Oh, bumpy! Oh, bumpy! Oh, no! Oh, let's just bust through a rock. Alright, let's check this area. What do we got? Silicon. Go figure. You know what? This is taking forever. I'm going to head back to the base there, and I'm just going to buy some wires. How about that? That sounds like it'll work a whole lot better. Nope. No, I'm not doing this. This is just ridiculous. I'm flipping this thing over one more time and adding some engines. It's gonna fly. These wheels are junk. Well, that's definitely not the prettiest thing I've ever built. But it was born out of very much frustration for these wheels. Let's see if it'll, do something. And maybe I can take these wheels off, put some proper landing gear. Alright, here we go. I mean, it goes up. Can't really hold itself up, which makes sense. It's got, wheels. Kind of hold itself up. Oh, don't want to hit the tree. This is a... Oh dear. This is a poorly flying contraption here I've got. Can't see nothing in this darkness. I wish it was daytime figuring this out. I'm just gonna get her back to the barn. I mean, the wheels are kind of like landing gear. But, let's chop those off. Seems to be able to hold itself up now. Let's put some landing gear on this. Kind of looks like a Cessna. One of those planes. Wouldn't that be funny if it ran out of power right now and just fell on top of me? Don't do it. I mean, it looks alright. Might change it up. I mean, I'm going to change the whole thing eventually. This will just be good enough to get around while I'm under here. Right here. Yeah. Right there, I'm going to put another gyroscope. There. See how it flies with the feet. Seems to fly a little bit better with two gyros. I'm running out of power in this thing, that's for sure. Probably gonna have to slap another battery pack on it. Oh, maybe not. I'm not maxing it out. I just need to recharge the one that's in it. There. And... Hello? That might have been the longest distance one yet. Okay, well that's what I'm ending up with, for now. Maybe go move the lights to the wings or something. Wings. Heavy quotations on wings. That is all I'm doing for now. I feel like I've done a lot, but nothing at all at this exact same time. Until next time, have a good one.